To find any passwords on your Mac, open a Finder window and click Applications in the left sidebar. Then, open the Passwords app. You'll need to sign in with the same password you used to log into your Mac, or use Touch ID. If you don't remember this password, you'll need to reset it manually. Next, choose a category from the left sidebar, or use the search bar in the top right corner to find a password. Then, hover your mouse over the password to reveal it, or click it to copy and paste it in a different app. For Wi-Fi passwords, you can also click Show next to QR code and scan it with your smartphone to instantly connect. If you don't see a password listed, it means it wasn't saved on your Mac or in the Safari web browser. If there's an exclamation point next to an account, it means the password is either weak, compromised, or used on another account. To change a password, click Edit in the top right corner and select Change Password. This opens the account website, so you can change the password from there. On most websites, you'll need to sign in and go to Account Settings to create a new password. Then you can use the Password app to instantly create a new password, and it'll sync to all your Apple devices, as long as you have iCloud Keychain enabled. To make sure your Mac saves all your passwords automatically, you'll need to turn on iCloud Keychain. To do this, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Then, click your Apple ID with your profile image in the top left corner of the window. Finally, go to iCloud and make sure Passwords is turned on. To change your password settings, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Then, go to General, Autofill and Passwords, and make sure Autofill Passwords and Passkeys is enabled. Now, your Mac will handle all your passwords for you, so you don't have to remember any of them anymore. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.